Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll talk about website speed, which is an important part of search engine optimization because most customers or internet users today prefer to go on the websites those are fast. If your website doesn't load in less than 5 seconds after entering the URL in the field, then there's a very well probability that you may lose that particular user or customer. This may be a potential loss to your business. So you must check your website, how fast it loads, and some other aspects of search engine optimization. Today, I'll tell you about three important tools that will help you get the website speed and how fast it loads. To start with, the first tool that we have is tools.pingdom.com. So let's type the URL tools.pingdom.com. So this site gives you a space to type a URL and a location. The location is basically you can check it from different locations in the world where it loads and at what speed. So for example, you want to check the website in Europe, Germany, Frankfurt, Asia, Tokyo. So you can just select the region and start the test. So here we'll be testing from, let's say, North America. Okay. So we can type a URL. It may be like your website or any other website that you want. So you've just copied this one website. It is basically a software company that is providing various business and other software applications. So let's start the test. So it is taking some time. Normally it takes, and it'll give you the exact speed after, let's say, 5-6 seconds. And the site itself, like it load very okay. So once you scroll down, you will find a performance grade which is like 77. It gives you a rating from like 100. So 77 is the website score. It may or may not be the exact thing for like your case. Then the page size, it is 1.3 MB. The site loaded in 7.07 seconds, and there were 36 requests. It's basically the links that are going from your website or the connected URLs from your website. It also gives you information about how you can improve the website speed further. This is the section improve page performance. You just click on this drop down and it'll give you the basic information. You can read that and improve your website. So that is like one tool. The next tool in the list is GTmetrix. So let's type in the URL. It's gtmetrix.com. So once you open, again, you'll get a simple text box where you can enter the website name or the URL. Since we copied that URL, we'll simply paste it and we'll start the test. This specific website, the GTmetrix, also tells you a lot of other information. Tools.pingdom, yes, it did provide some information, but GTmetrix, it give you more and more information. Let's start the test. Since there are so many people testing across the world and so many people are using this specific website, so it may take some time because it is getting a lot of data associated with the specific domain that you've entered, software ocean in our case. So let's check how it goes. So they've found, they've searched, they've created a screenshot, and this is the actual score. The page speed score, again, like they've given you a rating from 100. So out of 100, the website scored 74. Wiselo is also a company that provides information about the website speed. So it is 74%. Then the page loaded in 6.7 seconds. There it was about 7 seconds. Now it is 6.7. So different websites use different parameters. And then the total page size is equivalent like 1.25 MB, and there were 29 requests. Now, this is the list where you have other information and some recommendation. For example, as of now, the site says your website has some files that are not properly minimized, like bootstrap.min.css. There are other files also, they'll tell you about it. Then there are optimization of images. So if your images are not optimized, it will take some time to load. If they're optimized, the website will run faster. Some JavaScript files and some other where the like there are some other things where the site scored very well, 100 score. So the average out of these numbers is 74%. So this is it. Now we'll go to the third tool. The third tool, or it is probably the most important tool in our list, because it is directly coming from the search engine. It's Google's developers tool. So developers.google.com/speed, page speed and insights. Again, this particular site will also give you a space where you can simply enter the URL and click on the analyze button to see the actual score. This will give you a score as per Google's perspective. So again, like, it will also take some time to fetch the data, and once the data is available, it will tell you the, like, again, score out of 100. So the site's score is 53 out of 100, and then we'll move forward for more information. Speed index 7.5 second. These are the screenshots from mobile. And then these are the suggestions or opportunities you can use to compress the text, compress the files, compress the images, and some other like JavaScript files. Due to that, your site will become faster. For example, if you do this text compression, it will be like 3.6 seconds faster than regular. So if you do all of this, your website will load in 2 or 3 seconds. So this is just one example. We took a random website, softwareocean.com, or there can be like further improvement. In your case, you enter your website and check how fast your website is. If your website is not fast and it is not loading under 5 seconds, it is always better to improve, because a slow site uh, also takes time, and in Google rankings, speed is one of the most important factors. If all the things are correct, then your site will rank higher. So you better work on the website speed and make sure it scores maximum out of 100. So these were the 3 tools that we tested right now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and do subscribe to the channel to get more such videos and get more information. Thank you very much, guys.